Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how Informatica compares to Talend and which is the best data integration platform in 2025. Let's start with Informatica. It's a powerhouse in enterprise data management. Informatica is known for scalability, AI-driven automation, and strong governance features. It's perfect for big companies that need secure, enterprise-level integrations across cloud and on-premise systems. Now, Talend. Talend shines with open source flexibility and ease of use. It's great for businesses that want affordable, fast data integration without being locked into one ecosystem. Plus, it's strong in real-time data processing and works well with modern cloud stacks. So, which is better? If you're a large enterprise with complex compliance needs, Informatica takes the lead. But if you're a mid-sized company or startup looking for flexibility and cost effectiveness, Talend is the smarter choice in 2025. Thanks for watching this Informatica versus Talend breakdown. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.